Are you tired of letting your contacts know when you've read their messages? In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily turn off read receipts on your iPhone so that no one knows when and if you've seen their message. I'll walk you through the steps to make sure your privacy is kept safe and secure, so make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the settings of your iPhone and then scroll down until you see an option called Messages. Simply tap on it. Once you are on this screen, scroll down, and you'll see an option called Send Read Receipts. When this is on, people are notified when you have read their messages. This enables read receipts for all conversations. So go ahead and toggle this off. And now no one will know exactly when you read their messages. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.